It's Thanksgiving, and what a better way to celebrate than with a view of the Behavioral Sciences building and a ride on the Kone traction elevator. It's a gorgeous day outside. We got some snow last week. Let's go. They're Kone and they're traction, not hydro. Here we go. There's an area of soul to be seen. Here we go. Let's see if we can. This time we'll see if we can get up to the top deck. I doubt it because there's hardly anybody here. But if we can, great. If we can't, well then that's okay. It's here. Terrific. It's got an annoying fan, but we don't want to take that into detail because it's a traction. It doesn't really have a motor. We'll watch the numbers going up. Uh-oh. It's a 25-person lift. There it is. It's a Kone. One of my favorites. They have a Kone like this at the Council Tree Library in South Fort Collins. Okay, we're here at the top. Okay, there's the stairs over there. Let's see if this is open. It is. Okay, so here we filmed this before in May. Yeah, see, there's still some snow and ice on the deck. I'm gonna have to watch my footing, but I will show you everything that I possibly can. Not too bad, actually. Alright, so if we go over here, you can see Clark building. You can see Clark. Well, mostly you can just see building B. Now, one side, that's A. A's got ThyssenKrupp. B, I think, has Montgomery. Ridden those before. Nice view. I think if we zoom in here, yeah, there's the student library. They have Dover Impulse and Otis. And I think if we zoom in, we can't zoom in anymore. But they're working on the food court end of the student center, and it won't be done until fall of 2014. A lot of construction here. Now, if we look over here, we can see Eddie Hall. They have Dover. They're not Impulse. I think they're modded. I think actually both Eddie and Educational Hall are classics. They're Dover classics originally, but I think they've been modded. That can happen from time to time. Elevator mods, gotta love them. Now, if we look over here just a bit, I think. Whoops, let's zoom in here. I'm trying not to lean too close. I think we can see Yates and Chemistry over here. Those are the twin ThyssenKrupps. However, on the other side, they're different. One's got a Dover Classic, that's Yates. Chemistry's got the old Montgomery. The foothills over there. So nice. Huh. Looks like there's a deck on Educational Hall, but there are no tables. Yeah, see, if you want to come over here to study or to hang out, this is obviously the absolute best place to hang. I'll take a tour of the top floor of the building, like we did last time. I'll be careful on these damn steps. Here we are. Alright, this is the top floor. Look at this. Look at how tall this is. We are 4 stories up. We're 4 stories up. How does anybody here? This is actually the day before Thanksgiving. I can't film this on Thanksgiving because I think the campus is closed. So I just thought I'd get this done a little bit earlier. Here's some seats over there. And we're coming around. Kind of reminds me of the layout of the computer sciences building. It's kind of like a running track up here, causing one big square. And so now we'll come over here. Here's a view. Nice view of the campus out here. I'm not sure which side we're on. I think that's Eddie over there. Maybe. Can't be sure. That's the thing, you never can be sure. Morning. Yeah, well, he's over there, so... So quiet, but so nice over here. And here we come. Back to the elevator. Oh, here are drinking fountains. Let me grab a drink real quick. There we go. Let's ride the elevator back down. I think I can hear it going. Here it is. There's the lantern. Typical Kone. I think it's KSS. Got one. Door closes when I push the button. Here's our cab. Let's get a cab view here. This is a nice big elevator. It's a 25-person lift, which is nice. Oh, you got 2 button sets over here. Here we are at 1. I think. Yeah, here we are. There's a coffee shop over there. Nobody's working today. Here's my bag. My bags. Never upset. So, happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. From Fort Collins, Colorado. Hope you have a great weekend. Take care.